Namaste and welcome to the tutorial of problems on inner products and positive definite matrices part 1. In this tutorial we will discuss how to find the matrix A that represents the usual inner product on two-dimensional real space related to the bases V1 and V2 of two-dimensional real space. So here let's start with the solution. As we have the bases V1 and V2 of the two-dimensional real space, we will first find the inner products such that the inner product of V1 with itself, then inner product of V1 with V2, then inner product of V2 with V1, and the inner product of V2 with itself. So if you observe, the inner product of V1 with V2 and the inner product of V2 with V1 are the same, and therefore the matrix can be written by writing these values in the matrix form. So if you observe, the first element of this matrix A is nothing but the inner product of V1 with V1. Then the second element of this matrix represents the inner product of V1 with V2. The third element is inner product of V2 with V1, and the fourth element is inner product of V2 with V2 itself. So this is how we can find out the matrix A that represents the usual inner product on the two-dimensional real space if the bases are given to us. So you can self-try these problems by using the same step that we have just now discussed. Thank you.